Hello there, this is me Bijaya Dash, your learning partner from Bijaya.net, and welcome to my presentation. And yeah, today is gonna be a very interesting presentation because today in this presentation I'll talk about a very interesting topic. Do you know what my today's topic is? Yeah, today in this presentation I'll talk about a very interesting topic called 3 important facts of Did You Know? If you already know about these 3 important facts of Did You Know, so that's really great. And if you didn't know about these 3 important facts of Did You Know, so this presentation is one and only for you. So no more talking, let's start our journey. Number 1. Did you know if you try to say or if you try to pronounce all letters, all alphabets in English A to Z without moving your lips or tongue, then every letter will sound the same, like this. Yeah, every letter will sound the same. So if you try to say or if you try to pronounce every letter, every alphabet in English, you need to move your lips and you need to move your tongue. Then you will be able to find out different sounds from here. So number 1 is if you try to say every letter, every alphabet in English without moving your lips or tongue, then every letter will sound the same. Number 2. Did you know the sentence, "The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog," uses every letter in English alphabet, from A to Z. If you notice this sentence, if you will be able to find out every letter in English here. So now it's your turn to find out every letter from here. So the sentence is, "The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog." Okay? Number 3. Did you know that word rhythm is the longest word without a vowel? Yeah, there are many words in the world, but there is one and only word called rhythm. And rhythm is the longest word in the world without a vowel. Okay? So what is the longest word in the world without a vowel? Rhythm is the longest word in the world without a vowel. R-H-Y-T-H-M. Rhythm. Okay? So that's all about my 3 important facts of Did You Know? And if you know more important facts of Did You Know, so please write it in the comment section. So guys, that's all about my today's presentation. I hope you all liked my presentation, and if you like this presentation, so please give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and obviously subscribe my channel Bijaya.net, and don't forget to press the bell icon for my next video. See you around in the next video, and stay well, stay with Bijaya.net. Thank you so much. Bye bye.